I don't know that we're overly unique. We face the same challenges that everybody does, that we've got tight timescales, tight budgets, especially when we're trying to deliver projects for some of our smaller business units. But I think what's kind of stood out for us is that we've been able to meet these challenges to find ways to deliver quicker, faster, and in some cases even cheaper for some of our business units so that we can get them out to market quicker. And my main focus is on e-commerce, and speed of delivery of a change is so important so you can capture the marketplace before anybody else does. The web world is changing daily, so being able to get something out there fast gives you that tactical advantage over all of your competitors.
So I think there's a number of things that we're unique in our engagement with HCL with, and that's around HCL. We have a full outsource, so I've worked with many outsourcers before, but HCL have a full outsource model: application development, application maintenance, infrastructure, and infrastructure change. So that's very unique within the industry that I've come across. But I think the main piece is that we treat HCL as one team. So they're part of our general updates. In India, they're on our intranet and they get to see all our news and things. And they're very much part of our organisation, so we share our highs and lows together. I think the other thing that's unique in the engagement model that we've got is that monthly we have a very senior leadership meeting around the engagement, and within that we track our innovation and value add ideas, just to make sure that we're not just following the letter of the contract and we are thinking outside the box and doing what's right for our customers. The main reason we partnered with HCL and went through the outsource model is it's around the capability of finding really good IT people. We really struggled with that in the UK. It's around having that flexibility. So our organisation is changing and we need to be able to respond to the ever-changing needs of the market. So a bit of ramp up and ramp down in different teams and different technologies is very key to us. It's mainly around the adaptability of HCL. One thing they definitely do is they're prepared to adapt to our changing technology needs. In the last 5 years we've been engaged with HCL, our technology landscape has changed completely. There are also changes in our organisation. The organisation looks nothing like it did when I started 5 years ago. Changes in our industry, so the financial services within the UK, it's gone from being very traditional to very much an online presence now, and that's something that's very important to us. And also changes in our regulations, so the UK regulators are very strict on us and imposing a lot of change on us, and that's something else that we need to be very cognizant of, and HCL help us to deliver those things.
Time to market has been one of the biggest benefits. Our other has been really in the quality of delivery. When I took over our e-commerce program, we were not able to deliver a project on time, on schedule, on budget. We were a mess. Our code quality was just horrific. Since we finally found a partner that actually wants to partner with us and not just provide a service, we've been able to turn that around so we're actually delivering on a partnership and we're delivering quality, and that gives us the ability then to deliver the speed back to our customers. And then as the third benefit, we've also been able to get great flexibility now that we've got a solid platform that lets us grow even quicker.
I think the most important thing is that HCL truly understand our business. So it's not we write down requirements, send them offshore and some code comes back. The guys, both onshore and offshore, really understand our business as well as the people in the business, and by that they can bring true good ideas to the table and say, actually guys, we think you should do things like this. So it's also around the optimization of the very complex multiple technologies we've got. So 6-7 years ago we were quite a simple IT department, mainframe and that sort of thing. Now we've got 22 very complex technologies, and having HCL having those skills across the breadth is very important to us, so they need to be able to adapt and change with us, and they do so.
Our biggest cost benefit has been that we've been able to do things at a lower cost. We've been able to stand up one team, keep them fairly busy consistently, which has helped us that we don't have ramped up time. Our projects just roll one after the other. And that knowledge base that they've gained helps all of our teams across the board just to be able to execute that much better, that much faster. And with the business knowledge, they're targeting their solutions so that they actually deliver what the business needs and not just what they think is in a requirements document. Our partnership with HCL has really been teamwork. It hasn't been just assigning a project based on whoever can deliver something the quickest or the cheapest. It's been on building that teamwork so that we're getting what we need in the end.
So the old Mutual Group and the Scandia part that I work for differentiate from our competitors because we have the best products, we have the best platform, an award-winning platform that we're very proud of, and we have the best customer service as well. So we're definitely seen as a very good quality service to our customers. HCL support us in that by listening and adapting to our ever-changing needs. So they're prepared to come to the table with ideas. They're prepared when we've got a problem that we need, the market is changing or our regulation is changing. They will come up with ideas to help us adapt with those things.